Okay, how many of the orange have we got?
12.
And how many of the blue and yellow?
20 each.
Yeah. So thanks very much to Kevin Druids, especially John and his team who've been fantastic. Warm-ups on the pitch, so these are key timings for us. 1400 for players, the keepers can go out earlier. Number of turnstiles open, they'll be physically given a ticket, even if they're paying on the day.
It's basically 3 shots and then single of one, single of another, basically. Okay.
Do you want any other nice arts?
Nah, with them actually, yeah. Can I have a look at Ian Edwards' overlay, please? Alison X. Still, we just need to have a look at the goal cams just to make sure that we're happy with the lens caps and those, please.
For today's Welsh Cup final, I think we've got the most number of cameras that we've ever had, so it's really well covered today and it's a great occasion. Everyone's really excited and you can really feel a bit of a buzz about the place now.
Nomads, Quay, Connah. Mae'n elyniad sydd wedi tanio'r tymor ac yn bygwth ffrwydro yn y final.
So we've done all the pre-match checks, we've done the pitch checks, the technical area checks, the kit checks, the dressing room checks. You know, the sole focus there is on the match and getting the preparations done properly for that.
Please welcome today's finalists, Quay tonight, Connah's Nomads, and the new Saints.
The JD Welsh Cup, you know, so much history about it, and one of our strategic objectives is always to make this a really enjoyable, memorable day out for everybody.
Fydd na ddim, a dyma chi linell da chi wedi clywed o'r blaen. Enillwyr Cwpan Cymru ydy'r Seintiau Newydd. A nawr, mae rheolwr y Seintiau Newydd wedi cael Cwpan Cymru i ychwanegu at ei CV. Brobl a 2 gol. Cwpan Cymru ydy'r Seintiau Newydd.